Alright guys, today I'm going to show you this. This is White Swiss Chard. First time I saw this in the grocery store. I'm going to make it into a sort of stew and chili. So I got some ingredients here. I have some onions, which I'm going to saute first with the saute function on the Instant Pot. Some beans, some corn, and then some ground turkey we're going to use. And then we're going to season it with spices and all those things. So I'll be right back. Alright, so the onions are in there. Now I'm going to hit the saute function and then just wait for that to crisp up a bit. And then I'll be back. Alright, so the ground turkey is in there now. We're just waiting on that. And then going to put in some vegetables in there. And then we're going to hit the button and then the chili button. I'll be right back. Okay, so the Swiss chard is now in there. The beans are in there. So flavored it with some cumin, some fennel seeds, some oregano, and basically some salt. And we're just gonna wait on that and then hit the button and close the lid. Alright guys, so here is the chili or stew, whatever you want to call it, all done. And smells great. Definitely check it out guys. Taste is, you get a lot of the aroma from the herbs and things like that. So if you have any questions, comments, post below, or subscribe to the channel. Alright, so the stew is all done here. So I put some out here because it is really hot. So I'm going to do a quick taste test for you guys. It's really good. You get a lot of flavor from the herbs, the cumin, and it's nice and hearty. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, or subscribe to the channel.